Looking for a peaceful yet accessible place to build your future home? Let me show you one of the most promising subdivision in Padre Garcia, Batangas. Welcome to La Ciudad Real by Calmar Land. La Ciudad Real offers a secure, master-planned community, malapit sa bayan, accessible sa main roads, pero presko at tahimik ang paligid. Dito, puro single houses lang. Ibig sabihin, hindi dikit-dikit ang mga bahay, kaya may privacy. Sakto sa mga pamilya na gusto ng preskong hangin at maluwag na paligid. The features and amenities, entrance gate and guardhouse with 24/7 security, exclusive clubhouse, landscaped entrances. Kung taga Padre Garcia ka, siguradong pamilyar ka sa ganda at tahimik na paligid ng area na ito. Ito yung klase ng community na perfect para sa mga pamilya na naghahanap ng mas maayos, mas pribado, at mas komportableng pamumuhay. Lot cuts range from 100 to 200 square meters. Best time to invest ngayon dahil may bagong inventories na na-open, may mga corner lots at facing east pa. At kung gusto mong i-personalize ang bahay mo, may lot-only option kami dito. 5 years to pay, zero interest, best deal dahil no income documents needed. Kaya kahit self-employed o OFW ka, walang problema. May mga house and lot packages din na pwede mong pagpilian. Chloe, single attached bungalow with floor area of 41 square meter. Or choose between the two-story single attached Chanel and Luna. Parehong may floor area na 78 square meter. Lahat yan single attached, may parking at may space pa sa paligid. Available sa installment under bank financing. Live in the finest address of Padre Garcia. Quiet, elevated, and built for lasting comfort. This is Broker Arna and you know the deal. Real talk, real homes, real feels. Message me now for a free site viewing or full details.